Alright. Action.
What's up, YouTube? Here we are at the Olympia house. This is, or what we call our Olympia Beach house, because if you go about 3 minutes down this road, that one, this one, that road, you'll get to a beach. And with this house, with the homeowners association, you get a beach and you get a clubhouse and you get a park. It's all comes with it. Bonus of this house is it's well water, which is kind of unique with being in Olympia, and it's included in the homeowners association, so you don't have to pay for water, and they take care of some of your sewage. So you only have a septic tank, but they take care of, like if you turn the camera around, they take care of your gray water. So they'll come in and like you'll order it and they'll pump it out every once in a while. You just let them know when it fills up. And so your sewer bill is also less than normal. So here's the update of what we've done thus far. We got our little helper here today. So we did obviously some landscaping, and I really like, this is actually what just got done today. Don't mind the Buddha, it will be gone. So our landscaper just thought we wanted Buddha there, but we're gonna take Buddha out and just have that. And something we added was trim around the windows, which I thought was a really nice feature to add some more curb appeal. And then obviously, if you can see the whole house, we painted it. It used to be a very similar body color, a little bit lighter, and it was 3-tone, so it had a blue, a lighter blue, and then a dark blue trim. And so we did white trim and gray body paint, and the whole paint, everything's done. And then if you come this way, we got a new fence, and it looks so much better. The gate works, which is really nice.
One in the darker one.
Come on in, come check it out. Okay. So, lights, let there be lights. I don't think this one's hooked up, but as you can see, we painted inside and we got our flooring in. And it's kind of hard to see right now with all the mess, but we got our gray vinyl plank down. What's cool about this flooring is we got it on, it's, what is it? Discontinued. So we got it at a really good discount, which is really cool because there was enough to get the next house in Gig Harbor, so.
What do you think about the floor, Nova? Do you like the floor? Yeah? Does it play nicely?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So no kitchen yet. We're actually picking up the cabinets tomorrow and getting quartz installed. But it's going to be white cabinets with a gray quartz. It's going to look awesome. The island will be here. And then obviously fridge, oven, sink, countertop. What else do we do? Oh yeah, let's go in the side yard, which is one of my favorite parts actually. Come into my backyard. Oh, we got another helper. Come in here. So as you can see, so if you guys remember what it looked like before, hold on. It's late and we got tired babies. Just hold on. Come get her.
Come on, let's go. Mama's in that way. Do you like this house?
Yeah.
Yes. Well, be careful. Okay, we go through the laundry room. What is this room? What is this room? What is this room? The shy room?
Teresa! This is real life. You know, I mean, if you guys have kids and you think you can't do real estate, think again. Because It's not easy, but somebody has got to do it. Hold on tight. Hold on tight. Wrap your legs around. Okay. So then, if you remember right, if you look back at which I'll show cue clip for what the backyard used to look like. Our landscaper came in with a machine and leveled out the whole yard. So he took away some of the grass, but it really wasn't that much. So it made it so, you know, less tripping hazards. And then we added a fire pit to give.
Hey, look, technology. You want technology?
Still recording.
Yes, I've been recording the whole thing.
Oh my goodness. Okay.
Crazy
So,
things.
Here we are in the closet. So obviously we got all of it painted in here. And then this is the new bathroom. So we got flooring. We got a new toilet. We painted the vanity. And we got a new light.
Which I really like the new light. Is it better?
Alright, take two.
Okay, so, yep, replace the flooring, got the light, give it a more modern look, more updated, and then we're gonna put new countertop. We got some Formica countertop to put on there to make it look nicer. And yeah, so we just gotta put trim and fix a couple touch-up paint, and that'll be done. Bedrooms, pretty much the same thing as last time. And then if you come in here, maybe turn the light on in this one. This is the Formica countertop that we're gonna put in the bathroom in there, in the main bathroom. And then in here, we have the new vanity that's gonna go in. And then we're gonna put a quartz top that matches the kitchen in the master bedroom. And then master bathroom. And then we did the flooring in here. And we're gonna put new lights. And if you can look at the bathtub, show them the bathtub. Now that it's cleaned out.
Cleaned out, not clean yet. Because we still do not have water.
Which is a whole nother thing.
We've been able to do this so far without water. So everything you see so far, we've just kind of tapped into the neighbor's water supply and made it work. We've had this house for 3 weeks now. Our goal is to get this thing on the market in on a total of a month. So 1 more week. So we're at the point now that we're really pushing hard to get the HOA to move their keisters to get this thing water so we can test, because we haven't even tested the water on anything. There shouldn't be any problems, there shouldn't be any leaks, but we for sure want to test it before putting it on the market and use the water to get this stuff cleaned up.
Yeah, boy.
Are you shy? Can you say thanks for watching? Say, if you like this video and you want to see the final, because the next video we do is going to be our final walkthrough, say hit the like button. And then hit the subscribe button, smash the like button, and give it, subscribe so you can see next time, and then hit the notifications so you'll get notified whenever we post the next video. Our next video should be an update on our Gig Harbor house, so keep an eye out for that one, and tell your friends and family and everybody about what we're doing.